What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to another video. Are cheap tonneau covers worth buying? In my opinion, yes. That's why I got one. But for you, it may not be worth it. All depends on why you want a tonneau cover, to be honest. For me, I just wanted something to have the bed of my truck covered and just a bit of protection from rain and snow. For example, we just came back from Tahoe. It didn't snow, didn't rain, but we did have all our stuff back here. And as you can see, the roads were pretty filthy, just from all the dirty slush on the ground and then just getting picked up. Obviously, I didn't want that getting on our stuff. This did its job in protecting that. But if you're looking to get something that will completely protect or protect your stuff, do not cheap out. Do not get a cheap tonneau cover. Save up if you have to and get that hard top that you can lock. That will do you better, not these. With these, all it is just the vinyl cover. That's all it is. That's what's protecting whatever it's in there. So anyone with a knife can just rip this and get in. Also, if you don't even lock your tailgate, what would the purpose be, right? Like, anyone can just open it up, go in and grab whatever you have, unless of course you lock it. But if you get a cheap tonneau cover and you think, oh, let me just lock my tailgate, no one's gonna get in. No, if they want to get in, they will get in. But with that said, what do you get with buying a cheap tonneau cover? Well, this one right here, this is from realtruck.com. This is their branded tonneau cover. This is the XR model. As you can see, Real Truck, they branded it. I've had it for a bit over a year now, I want to say, and the only thing that's happened to it is literally that the sticker starting to peel. That's pretty much it. It's done its job. It's done what I intended this to do. I'll put a couple clips right here to show you how it did in the rain and how minimal of water got in. So also, with that said, these aren't 100% weatherproof. You have to expect some sort of water or a certain amount of water to go in. Yes, you can reinforce them with more weather stripping, because they did come with weather stripping, but wouldn't hurt to add some. You get a vinyl cover, and then with this one, it comes with only one latch to open, and that latch is right here. So you just pull up and it'll open. But this one comes with these little sliders right here, and it hooks on, so even if you pull this, it won't unlatch. So all you do is just slide it. And then there's another one on this side right here. So once you get those sliders unlatched, you can go ahead and pull that, and then it'll just pop open, and then you could unroll it. So with these roll-ups, all it is just held on by Velcro on the sides to keep the bed cover down. And then this one has two crossbars for support. It comes with two straps that just clip on like that, and then one on this side. So yeah, just like that. Also, one rail for the right side, another rail on the left, held on by just two little brackets right there, one right there, and then those brackets are connected to your side rail mount. 6-foot bed tonneau covers come with 3 brackets, one right in the middle, but because I have a 5-foot, it only comes with 2. Over here is a tensioner. If you twist it, this will tighten up the vinyl cover. So in the summer, because vinyl cover tends to get a bit loose due to the heat, you can come over here, roll it up, tighten it up on both sides. It's got one on both sides, and then that will tighten up the tonneau cover so it's pretty tight and it won't be flappy in the wind. To unroll it, just unclip it if you have it clipped, and just begin unrolling it like so, and then it'll hook on. That little part right there, that little lip, will hook on to those hooks, one on each side, just like that, and then it'll go down. The Velcro will attach itself as you unroll it on both sides, and then you're pretty set. It comes with this little lip right here, this little flappy lip, and that is also kind of used as weather stripping, just to prevent any water to flow in there. It'll just run off to the side and then down the channel right there. So with that being said, hopefully you guys like this video. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about cheap tonneau covers. Do you guys think they're worth it? Let me know in the comments. Till the next one, remember guys, live life.